guys, hey, welcome to another video. It's your girl Chev. If you're new here, my name is Chevelle. You can call me Chev. Welcome to That's So Chev. I just want to tell you guys a quick story. Quick story, right? My husband came, dropped off something for the boys to eat. I didn't know what I wanted to eat, so he didn't bother to buy me nothing to eat. So like he's gone. He gave me maybe 15 minutes, and then he called and he's like, oh, I can't find my wallet. So I'm like, what do you mean you can't find your wallet? So he's like, I can't find my wallet. Can you look and see if I dropped my wallet? I said, the only thing you came and did was drop off the rice. Where would your wallet be? And he was like, babe, just check for me now. So I was like, where? Yeah. I want it. Yeah. So I was like, where could your wallet be? So he was like, babe, just check for me. Check if I drop it at the door. No, I'm not picking up because I'm like currently out of it right now. Like I just want to see these boys, to send them to their bed, call it a night. I opened the door, I looked down, I'm looking, and I looked and I saw that I had this beautiful bouquet of flowers. Only the one white rose. I had a beautiful bouquet of flowers sitting on the shoe stand outside of the door. And he was on the phone and everything, so he caught my reaction. And it was just, listen, this man ceases to surprise me. You would think after 5 years of marriage, 8 years of knowing each other, I would caught on. There are certain things I caught on to already, but it's like, it's never going to be the same every time, because even he's like, oh, the old trick worked though, because I told him that it was getting not old, but I told him that I was catching on to his tricks. So yeah, but he was just like, it worked, don't it? The old trick still worked, don't it? I was like, yeah, babe, it still worked. It still worked. He still surprises me. He still makes, yeah. This is beautiful. Like the setup, everything, and then the card says happy anniversary, you're my everything. So this is like literally a week later after our anniversary, but because he didn't get a chance to get me any flowers on our anniversary because the flower shop was closed. So he still made an effort. My light and beer, don't get bun. Man like that there? Yeah. Yeah. I love it. I just love it. Absolutely love it. I'm hoping I'm in the frame because my phone is turned to the back camera, so I can't see myself. But I love it. So let's put it in some water. Actually really heartbreaking to cut these right now. Like cutting the ribbon, oh my god, it's really heartbreaking. Taking it out of the package, oh my, it's really heartbreaking. Like these people put their love into their flowers and put their love into their work. Look at the flowers so you guys can see it. Look at the stem of the flowers. Can you guys see that? Oh, that's stunning. Oh my gosh. Whew. I'm gonna take this out for a minute. Now, I like when my flowers are literally standing at the top. So I think I'm gonna cut like down here. It's Friday night, by the way, guys. It's Friday night, and I would love for him to be home right now, but he has to be at the shop. So, yes. You want water? Okay, baby. Don't trouble anything.
It's hot?
Yes, the stove is hot.
Oh, it's hot?
Yeah. No, I read somewhere or watched a video somewhere on TikTok, I think, where they said put bleach inside of the flowers to help it last a bit longer. So that's what I always do. So I think I get about a good 2 weeks out of my flowers, or a good 1 week out of my flowers. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So we're making, I mean, they had breakfast already, but they're still saying that they're hungry. So I'm gonna make some porridge for them. I had porridge already in the fridge, so yeah. Wait. I don't know where my blender top is, so. One at a time. One at a time. One at a time. One at a time. No, one. One at a time. One. I think today's video is going to be a day in the life. I'm just going to show you guys what my Saturday normally looks like. So this is, I don't even know what time it is. This is like maybe, this is 12:31. We've been up since after 9. Like my husband was getting calls, I was getting calls, so we've been getting calls all morning. Family related stuff, not necessarily business. We wanted to take the day to rest, but when you have 2 kids, that's not possible. Oh, I have the grocery to pack out. So hubby just came with the groceries. I'm gonna pack out the grocery, give you guys a little grocery haul. I've never done that before. We're gonna start with the smallest box for the grocery haul. We have cornbread. We normally buy 2 cornbread. 1 goes in the fridge, and then 1 will go into our snack bucket. Burger bread, because we make burgers often. Bacon. Sliced cheese. And it's my husband's favorite kind of cereal, so he puts this in his red and white cornflakes. So this was $4,000 because this was bought in the supermarkets. One case of True Juice. 1 big bag of Fab soap. 4 hand towels. Can't do without these. In the Happy brand. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Happy toilet paper. 1 wipe. Both boys are potty trained, but we still get wiped same way. 1 bug spray, cockroach, mosquito, lizard, every creepy crawly thing. This, yeah man. And then, like, when there is a whole lot of mosquito in the house, we'll spray the whole house, lock up the house, and go about business. Pack a rag, a mop head, chicken frankfurters, toothpaste, 3 Lascaux, 3 big Lascaux. I feel like we need 4 because it's always finishing and we always need more. Pack a cup. Definitely needed this. Babe should have got a small cup for the boys. Oh, you know what they needed? A toilet paper. I'm not toilet paper, toothbrush. Are we sure this is good?
Not good nowadays.
Frying pan. We will desperately need. So, 2 pack of dog food. So these are the small one. We usually have a big one. This is the small one. I bet you bought original cranberry.
Is that?
You bought the original cranberry, the bitter cranberry. Or the sour cranberry.
It's good for you.
Yeah. Cranberry juice. It's good for your bladder. Popcorn. My husband and I love to have movie nights. And funny enough, I was craving for popcorn yesterday. And we didn't have any coconut oil. For everybody, especially women, coconut oil is best for our hormones. Vegetable oil is not good for you. Coconut oil is best for you. Chiffon butter, peas. Babe, we already had an olive oil unopened, not yet consecrated.
I never know that.
Yeah, you bought one last time.
Oh, did?
Yes. What is this? 3 Protex. Flour. We look boss already. Let me turn off the porridge here. 1 big pack of jasmine rice. This is the only rice that we eat. Cornmeal for the baby and porridge. Like I said, 3 Protex. Okay. And this was in total of $43,000. So this is wholesale. This is wholesale stuff. And then the first box was $4,000. So 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, $47,000. Probably $50,000. Alright, time for the big box. Yeah. Alright, now this big box is mostly consisting of stuff for the boys. It's mostly snacks. Majority of this is snacks. Because remember they go to school and stuff like that. So majority of this box is snacks. And it's 3, I think it's 3 of everything. 3 of everything. Hot dog bread. Marcia with 1 juice. I think we either buy 2 or 3 pack of these. Peppers. 3 katsu. 3 coconut powder. White bread. Brown bread. It's a whole lot of bread. I'm just realizing how much bread this is. It's a whole lot of bread. Cornflakes. Frosted. Oh, there you heard me, my other vlog. The keku. And a keku. Yeah, I know I needed this. I needed this. Oh my gosh. Needed it. Space to put it in cheese and fish. May I have porridge for them here, babe? Because they might talk about them hungry still. Coffee is red and rice. One apple juice. So I normally buy like True Shakes because sometimes I really don't have an appetite to eat food. So we buy these. and Suppergen. I use Suppergen to make my shakes. So like oats, banana, and this. Tastes so nice. 3 mackerel. 4 tuna. 1 broad bean. 6 sausage. 1 meal. 1 big box of oats. I think I had a 2-pack coming at this, 2 or 3-pack coming at this, I don't remember. And some storage dish. Listen, you can't talk to me now. And I can't talk to me like my husband can't go grocery shopping and I don't have to go. The man goes grocery shopping and he gets the things then that he knew we needed. I mean, we have cups. We have like hundreds of cups already. I don't even know where we're gonna put them right now. But yeah. He can go grocery shopping. I don't have to go with him. What he'll do, he'll call me and say, babe, what's needed? What not to buy? Or I'll call him and I'll say, don't buy this, don't buy that, don't buy that. So that's our operation. This is what works for us. This is how we do it. We are not very traditional with our marriage in a whole lot of ways. We're not traditional. So a lot of things that I should be doing, he's the one who does it. And a lot of things, he does a lot. He does a lot. So, big up to my husband. And I think I said it already. We have 2 corned beef. Well, no. We have 1 corned beef inside here already. So this is the second one. So, yeah. So that's pretty much the grocery haul. Right now, I'm just gonna pack out everything. Usually I'll be packing as I go, but because I'm talking to you guys, yeah. So right now it looks like chaos. It looks like a hurricane passed through. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack out now. So let's jump into the montage.
Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. Can't fight and let your light come shine on me. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Could see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant. This is the greatest exchange.
We were supposed to be doing a whole vlog yesterday, but yesterday was I don't feel like doing anything, so I didn't. But just chill with the kids, and we slept, as you guys saw. We took a nap and everything, whatever. You know what feels good? I'm just sitting here and I'm just looking at customers going into the store and stuff like that, and I'm just thinking, it's just truly a blessing to have a business and to see customers coming in and out and stuff like that, because a lot of people can have a business and their business does not strive. So it's really beautiful to just sit here and you can see when people are going in and purchasing stuff and stuff like that. So it's really a blessing. It's just something to admire every now and then. Alright guys, so we are downtown. We're gonna get some fruits for the boys them, for the whole house, but mostly for the boys them to go back to school.
You just buy one time, now I'm gonna drive. So make a circle around the place. Because I'm going to...
So guys, this is how we do our downtown shopping. Yeah, my husband and I, we don't like the sun. Don't like the walking up and down, don't like the one bag of sweating. We sit in our car, we drive around, find out how much for the stuff with them, drive around. If the price is right, we'll buy it. If the price is not so right, we're gonna continue to drive around until we find what we need. So I think he's gone to do he's gone to talk to somebody right now. So yeah, this is how we do it.
No, man, you don't have to cut it.
Okay.
You just wrap it in.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Yes, darling.
You know what I just thought about? I just thought about how privileged I am. Because I don't do these things. My husband is the one who does them. I don't come out of the car. Father, in the name of Jesus Christ, bless my husband. Keep him in good health and strength. I don't do these things. My husband is the one who does these things. Now that here's the thing. He just has me on a certain level, but he has me on a certain, I guess, he has me on a certain level. So he's just like, no, you're too dainty. Me can't make you go downtown go buy nothing. I'm like, why you feel like so me can't go downtown go buy nothing? He said, no, me can't make you go downtown go buy nothing. I'm like, you know I can go grocery shopping, right? Yeah, but I'm not making do that. So it's not me. It's not me, oh, I don't want to do it or I don't do it. No, this is the dynamics of our marriage. And it's what works for us. And because it works for us, we're going to make it work. So we're not going to go because everybody else is like, oh no, you need to. He does a good job at it. He knows what to buy. I let him do it. And I mean, I know as well what to buy and what to do, but he just does it. So it's better he does it. He's in the car all the time. He's on the road all the time. So it's better he does it than me. Don't you think? Don't you think? Yeah, I think so. I think so. So I'm like a stay-at-home wife, but I'm not a stay-at-home wife. You get it? Yeah. Let's ask him.
Yeah, do you want to get to the drop off?
Uh-oh. Babe, would you allow me to go downtown by myself?
Why?
May I ask you? Would you allow me to go downtown by myself to buy ground provision and stuff like that? Huh?
No.
Why not?
Why would I?
Why wouldn't you?
If you want to come down here, come down here. After you figure it out, you must know.
After I figure out what you mean by that?
Until you come down here, come by downtown.
Come experience it? So is that the only reason you don't want me to come down here is because you don't want me to experience what downtown is like?
Mm-hmm.
So you don't think I know what downtown is like?
Well, if you want to come figure it out, I'm not saying that.
Oh, so if I want to do it, you're not stopping me from doing it?
If you want to do it, I'm not stopping.
Okay. Okay, I was just asking.
Listen, I tell you.
Okay.
It's not something you'd want to do.
Huh?
It's not something you'd want to do.
Why wouldn't I want to do it? Because there has to be other people then? Okay.
Go through to that sun, then today just come.
Uh-huh.
And a normal day is not like that.
Okay, gotcha.
Don't turn on for soft people like that.
Don't turn on up for soft people like me. Okay. So my soft.
You look like that. Like butter.
My soft like butter.
Chiffon.
When you hear my husband class, my soft like chiffon butter. So me can't come downtown to come shopping because I'm soft like chiffon butter. That's why he does it. That's the dynamics of our marriage. So I do other things, he does certain other things. Alright. Bag one. Got some green peppers. I think we got 3 or 4 cabbage. 1 lettuce. 2 bags of pak chow. 1 pine. 2 banana. Ginger. Potato. Onion. Another bag of potato because it's mostly for the kids. A lot of the grocery that you see us buy, a lot of times it's for the kids. Bunch of plantain. This look like banana. Yeah. So plantain. Banana. And the bag of mango. I've been craving for mango. And I got the kids some coloring books. So, yeah. So that's what we got on the rolls today. I'm gonna make their medicine now because I don't give them DPH and I don't give them DPH and stuff like that. We give them natural remedies. So I'm gonna make their medicine and put it down to soak until tomorrow and go from there. So to go get a trim. I'm just like, I'm tired of being in the house. I don't want to wait on my husband to do it. And I just feel like certain things I just want to take up and do because it's not that hard to do. Let me tell you something. It's so important how you grow your children. So I'm telling the boys that they have to come out of the road, and not walk nearby the cars. So just a while ago, a car was coming, and AJ is like, "Mommy, come out of the road. Mommy, come out of the road." I'm holding their hand now, and they're all the way over onto the sidewalk. So I make sure they're walking on the inside. Yeah, "Mommy, come out of the road." So they're doing what I tell them to do all the time. Come out of the road. Over, go over, go over, go over. Car is coming. Hey guys, so we just reached back in the house. AJ, come back this way. Guys, so we're on the stretch, right? Come up into the hill. And the boys said they wanted to go and look at the river. AJ had asked me before. when we're leaving, and I'm gonna tell him, say, no baby, when we come back. Right? So because and I still practically there, I say, alright, we're gonna stop. No, they're redoing the road. And they have some dirt and stuff on the road. So I have the kids them, and I'm switching them over to the next hand to come out of the road, because the way how I walk with my kids, I walk with them on the inside. So, and they both have to hold each other's hand. Walking, and I said, alright, we're switching over now. So AJ's in the middle, Jamil's at the end. So I'm gonna put AJ up because Jamil has on his A4. So because Jamil has on his A4, it's a bit hard for him to step up. So I put AJ up first, and there's a car coming. I put AJ up first, and then I put Jamil up. When I put AJ up and I'm getting Jamil up, in a split second AJ run out in the road. Guys, right now my throat feels so hoarse. Must scream from the bottom of my belly. Must scream him name. I say, AJ! And it's a good thing the car wasn't going at no great speed. The car wasn't going at no speed. They were practically crawling. And AJ was a distance away from them. But, you know, and it just, you know, and it's not, say me is not careless mother or nothing like that, because me no run the joke there when you walk on the road with Pitney, me no run the joke there, leg or hand something. But because I know that we're switching over, me not think say him a go run out in the road. Raising 2 boys is extremely hard. It's like, I think both sex are hard, but I'm raising 2 toddlers all at once. So it's just like, you know, it's hard. And I'm learning that there's some things you have to do on your own, some things you have to do without your husband, some things, you know. So yeah, but I'm gonna go in, give them a shower, wash their heads, and get their dinner finished, because I started the dinner before I left. So I'm gonna finish their dinner and then put them to bed, because no, heck no.